Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh. Is it bid'ah to wipe your face with your hands after making dua?
Okay. So with regards to from the adab of making dua, it is mentioned in some narrations that the Prophet ﷺ would wipe over his face after completing dua, and another narration maybe wipe his body. There's approximately, there are different turuq or different, but most of it goes to about 7 or 8 narrations concerning this. Now, we will not say it is a bid'ah, because there are some of the muhaddithun of the past who actually raised some of the narration, or one of the narrations, to the level of being hasan. So we can't say it's a bid'ah. Okay, it may be if a person has the view that all the narrations on the wiping of the face after dua are weak. Okay, which many of the hadith scholars have said. From them, Bakr Abu Zayd rahimahullah ta'ala has said that there are many narrations concerning this, and that all of them are weak. So it's not authentic that the Prophet ﷺ used to do that.
Right.
Okay, it's not authentic. But we can't say it's bid'ah.
Sure.
Because there are some ulama, for example, who did state that maybe some of the narrations could be hasan. Okay.
Sure.
So if a person believes that it is not authentic, then the person simply won't do it. But if a person is doing that, believing and knowing that it is, if it is the case, is based upon a sound hadith or hasan hadith, then they have their evidence.
Sure.
Okay, it's not for us to say this is bid'ah, and because if we know every bid'ah is a misguidance, and every misguidance is in fire.
Sure.
So it's a very, very big word to say. Okay, so this is in short. We'll not say it's bid'ah, and Allah knows best. However, what seems to be more correct, and Allah knows best, is that there isn't a sound hadith concerning that.
Sure.
So we would say it's not from the adab to do that after completing dua. Wallahu a'lam.
Barakallahu feek, Shaykhana.